In this video, we are going to learn how to create a helical part, a helical spring. So let's start. So first of all, I change my view to isometric view. Now we'll take the command Helix, enter. We just click one point and we're defining the diameter of the base. I said that should be 10, enter. Now we have to specify the top diameter. So I'll just take that to be also 10 only, and then what should be the height of spring we want to take, that we can specify here. I want to take 40 height, enter. Now we just define the circle that we want to sweep on this. So I'll just take circle command. We'll just define a circle of 1 radius. Now we'll take sweep tool, SW, enter. So just the circle is our object, enter. This is our path, enter. Now we can change this view to conceptual view, or we can take to realistic view. Our spring is created. We want to change any color, we can take a property command, TR, enter. We'll select this and we can choose any color from here that we want to assign to the part. So I'll just take magenta color here, and we can close this. Our spring is ready. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.